Emergency packets. Excuse me. I think we're at 50.6. Another onions on there. I'll get in trouble for. There we go. A lot of excuse me, mozzarella. Excuse me. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Tastes good. It's like I could feel them, but they're little, and then it's like that. Taste. Which grilled onions. I put grilled onions, like them, you know, melt. But I also have to keep in mind, like, so with that, y'all, there we go. So I have plans today. Oh yeah. Sometimes you just gotta let those burps out. Like little ones. It's like I need to burp and it's there. Okay. Whew. A little tart. Excuse me. And God. Ew. Those sounded really fucking weird. I hate when my burps like sound like they're stuck in my throat. There we go. That was a little better. TikTok, it's all the food brat. There we go. All right. So here's. There we go. Oh yeah. Don't get scared, Cody. Pretty much. That's how it went. So yeah. So my dog like freaks out every time I burp. I'm out. No, that was a little one. And oops. Anything. Okay. So internal mouth burp. Okay. Oh yeah. That was nice. Sauce. God, it's there. Like, they're in there. Yeah, baby. Oh. I look disgusting when I fucking burp. Yeah. Instagram. Excuse me for all the burps. My bad. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That is it, y'all. A weekend, because it's going to be like... Oh, there's burps. Not bring. Okay. That was a good one. And when we would go out to like Ventura County. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give this more rank. I need to ask my sister actually. I don't really hate anyone. But this bitch always got something to say. Always got something to say. To dating, whatever. I can't stand that shit. So much for love intolerance. I'm gonna put my can in the back because yas, clean. I don't know what else to say. Help you out. And excusez-moi. Too often? Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank God there's no one here. Just, excuse me. Right? So fucking carbonated. See, I gotta get rid of that double chin, bro. Home. Oh my God, I'm gonna be burping like literally all the way home. Wow. Okay. Tastes like super cherry. Their ginger ale is not carbonated in. Whew. Oh, try to force that one out. That one sounded weird. Excuse me. Excuse me. So. Yeah. Yo, it really is like really cherry full of cherry. But Yeah, that is a good soda. I think it's just the glass bottle and how it's like the, like, you know, I'm like, this is in fountain drink. Oh my God, they're in there. Anyways, teeth, so cold. Yeah, okay, there's something. Anyways, but your girl, anyways, all right, to me. Oh my God. Okay, I think that was the last one. Good meal, good meal. Oh, runny nose. Cheers. I'm gonna get going. Spicy. All right. So, yes. I wanted to just excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Is what it came down to. So okay. Let's just say that. I kind of just wanted to emphasize, excuse me, have a breathalyzer in my car. So, yeah. That one was weird. Excuse-moi. Excuse me. Quick. There you go. Ooh, got a hiccup. There we go. See. Excuse me. Only chicken strip that you're gonna get. Other one. Nice. That was a nice one. Look at that. I was gonna get ghost pepper nuggets down. Another one. Like, whoa. It like breaks my heart because like I don't want to let go of that stuff, but I haven't used it since Wow, they're all coming out now. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna finish the second one. Excuse me. Healthier than I used to. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Anyways, excuse me. I flew back to the Bay Area and then, excuse me, just started using instantly. Whatever. Quesalupa. I'm out here. I'm out of here. Yeehaw. That was good. Excuse me, Mom. Sodas. And, you know, excuse me. God, some of these burps just don't want to come out, but I feel them. I was like, fuck it, let's just, but I don't even think that's really gonna do much. Is life. Oh my God, maybe I don't need any more soda right now. Cope. I want to learn how to cope. Excuse me. Pardon me. Pardon the fuck out of me. Pardon the fuck out of me. Pardon the fuck out of me. Anyways. Oh yeah. Baby. Whoa. I'm so proud of myself on that one. Ooh, man. Oh. I already took some drinks, some sips. There's someone walking past my car. It's like they're stuck in there. Oh, yeah, that was a good one right there. Oh, yeah. To my life. Remember that song now? Me. It's no for me, bro. You know, I've always been a thicker girl. Oh, I don't like the way that one sounded. It sounded like raspy. Welcome to my life. Like I'm doing muffins. Okay, that wasn't a really good one. But anyways, y'all.